Hi, this is the unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard, and the keyboard has been around for a period of time, this one. This retails for $69, and they pretty much have this in stock. It's not something that you have to order or anything, and you can even get it at places like Best Buy. They sell these too. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, so you see here in the box, wireless keyboard, picture of it, a few specs and stuff there. Not a lot on the outside. And, okay, here we go. Well, let's open it up. There's the keyboard. And what we'll find here in the box, this is a manual, instruction manual with some warranty information is right here, and what's this? Something's register it, and the basic instruction manual that is pretty easy to figure out on the on this. So that's what comes in the box. I like to keep a lot of the original boxes with my Apple stuff, so whenever I move and stuff, I have them. Or if you ever, if you have the storage space and you ever decide to sell whatever Mac you have, if you're upgrading to a new model, it's always kind of nice to be able to sell it with the original box. A lot of people really like that. So anyway, this is the box. Let's put that aside, and let's take a look at the keyboard. Now, it's come in some kind of a protective plastic. So we want to get the plastic off of it, and I'm buying this actually January 2012. It's just taken a while for me to upgrade because I haven't really had a lot of money to upgrade, and I didn't really see a use until I got the new mouse, and then I realized, yeah, it is that much nicer. First thing is how slim this is amazing. Also how lightweight it is, and the back is just a basic simple in the back. It's got a little bit of rubbery here, I guess, so that and in here, so it has good in rubber there, so it won't scratch anything, and plus it has good traction, so it's not going to slide around. And then when you pair it up with the mouse, that's pretty nice. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, and you have yourself a good day. Bye.